Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. This video I'll show Craiyon AI image generator. So just like one lady and draw more. So guys, wait for loading this page, and I hope subscribe our channel and like this video. So guys, this is what do you want to generator. So I'm just click art is default. Okay. So you scroll down and see old mant. Okay, and just like this anime picture and prompt anime eccentric and great stock cute girl. Okay, just copy this prompt and close this image and scroll up and AI image generator. So I'm just paste my keyword and click draw. So now get faster image and new year and get fast estimate time 1 minute 10 seconds. So guys, I'm waiting for response and result. So guys, keep watching this video and I hope generate quickly. So guys, this is 9 image, just like awesome, and this time click here and unloading. Okay, just awesome and click next. 2 image, 3 image, and number 4, and this is the quickness. Okay, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, and number 10. So this is the cute. And so guys, I hope like this video. Goodbye.